this video, we want to show how malware can be put into content as part of a ransomware attack. Ransomware is a type of malware that threatens an action if a ransom isn't paid. The threat could include deleting all of the data on a system, encrypting all of the data, rendering it inaccessible, or publishing some sensitive data from that system. Typically, a ransomware attack will be made of many stages, with an initial compromise followed by further malware downloads before the actual attack is launched. It can be difficult for systems to detect ransomware, partly because of the way it uses encrypted channels to download the malware, and partly because the methods are constantly evolving to defeat the detection-based defenses. This demonstration shows a shortened sequence of a ransomware attack, where the initial compromise is actually the attack. The malware used is based on a well-known malware variant called Emotet, which has been used widely to conduct ransomware and other attacks. In this case, we have modified the Emotet payload to run some previously downloaded malware, which will encrypt the files on the system. The mortgage application file that we're going to show contains the modified Emotet malware. If we run this file past traditional detection-based virus scanners, we will see that some of them do indeed recognize it as malicious. So let's go to VirusTotal and select that file. VirusTotal gives us a chance to run this malware past a number of virus scanners. So we're going to choose the file and we're going to upload it. And what we can see here is that 28 of the 65 virus engines have indeed identified this as malicious, and some of them have called it Emotet based. But because we've modified the malware in order to do the demonstration, it's actually relatively easy to defeat these detection-based defenses, even though they are using a combination of things like signature-based detection and heuristics and artificial intelligence and machine learning. We've still managed to make sure that some of these virus engines haven't been able to detect that malware. If I open the file, we can see the malware run. So in this case, there's some active code. So if I enable the content, there's some active code, which when that is allowed to run, it runs the malware, and now all of our files are encrypted. So that's the end of this demonstration. Please watch the second demonstration to see how deep secure threat removal technology can be used to defeat the threats posed by ransomware and other variants of malware.